Welcome to the Innovar Healthcare Mirth Minute. Today we'll be reviewing the SSL plugin settings in Mirth Connect. Mirth does not natively support TLS SSL on the HTTP connector. Encrypting your traffic is essential for transmitting data, especially patient health information. Using the SSL settings plugin allows you to enable SSL, TLS both when receiving and sending messages over HTTP. Once your channel is configured, you can view the SSL settings by changing the connector type. With the SSL settings plugin installed, you can enable or disable SSL on both the HTTP receiver and sender. When SSL is enabled, the tool icon becomes active, allowing you to configure the SSL connection. The key store field allows you to specify the path to your key store. This will contain your certificate to identify who you are and your private key for decrypting messages received. The path can be on the file system or S3. Make sure to select the appropriate key store type in the drop-down field. In protocols, you can select which version of TLS you want to support. In the cert alias and cert password fields, enter the certificate alias and the password for the associated private key. To enable mutual TLS, click the Yes radio box and enter the trust store path and password. Similar to the key store field, you need to select a trust store type in the drop-down and enter a password for the trust store. You can use a relative or absolute file path or an S3 location. When using SSL with the HTTP sender, you can validate the certificate alias matches the URL by enabling Verify Hostname. Thanks for watching the Mirth Minute video by Innovar Healthcare. Subscribe for more content and we'll see you next time.